Hey guys, how are you? Hope you are well. Today we are going to talk about a Bengali dictionary by which you can search any word and you can get any meaning in Bengali. So let's see how to use the app. Download the app from the Play Store and search any word you can get easily meaning in Bengali. Uh, if you are looking for any word which is difficult, you can easily find out its meaning both Bengali and English by this app. For example, I search some word and you can both search Bengali and English word easily and you can find out like this. Any word you can search here and get a result, get a meaning of this word like this. Here is some example of searching the English word and getting the Bengali word. By searching you can get its verb from, adjective from and another's from of the word, and you can also search with voice command when are you in internet connection, and you can also use this app shortly on another apps. If you enjoy this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe this channel. So thank you very much.